Whoa, hope everybody's doing good out there today. Today I got a package that I sent off for. Well, we'll open it up and take a look at it. Coming right up. Alright, well this is something I sent off for. Took a couple days to get here. It's been sitting over in the pile of boxes to open. So, get into this. Now, a lot of you have probably seen this floating around on Facebook and other places. Quite surprised on how heavy this is. This is a 72-hour food pack. Now this isn't an MRE, it's nothing that you're going to just take out of this and eat. Okay? At least I don't think so. Feels kind of soft in there. I thought it would be all dehydrated food. Let's check this out. It's good up to 25 years shelf life. Emergency food storage. And looks like a Ziploc bag, so let's open this up and take a look inside and see what we got. I will be putting some things down here off of the computer to show what we got here. Yeah, okay, it's freeze-dried. Quick oats, sugar, caramel, and then gets into some of those of course, my eyesight's not all that good, and the printing's not all that great. Coconut oil, corn syrup, corn syrup solids, sodium. Well, I'm just going to cut all that out anyway. Okay, this is the first thing. It's a maple oatmeal. Maple oatmeal. I don't know where I got an omelet from. Damn things. Next package, home style potato soup. Okay. And the third package, creamy chicken flavored rice. Alright, well, I'm breaking into this video here. I don't know how many ways are wrong. This video just is not coming out the way I would like it to. For one, I want to apologize for the sounds of my radio here. I'm so used to having them all on all the time, and when it goes off, sometimes I don't even hear it unless it's a fire call or something. I hear toenails or something. So, sorry about the radio in the background of this video. Two, I think there's a bait and switch going on with this. Let's go over here to the computer and I'll show you. Alright, well, what I wanted to show you here was, this is the Facebook and the Living Frugal and Prepping Facebook group page, our group. And if you go down, I've shared this a few times. Here it is right here. My Patriot Supply. Okay. 2-day delivery, $10 for a 72-hour food kit. Okay, we'll click on that and see what we get. If it takes too long, I'll cut it. Hopefully I won't cut it, because there we go. Alright, now that they got two different ones here, this is a 4-week supply and this is a 72-hour one. Now it says here 4 different meals, 16 total servings. Okay, 25-year shelf life, you can read all that. $10 free shipping and handling. They do charge you tax. It came to $10.70. 2-day delivery, which it did. Okay, but if you go down, let's see, is it on this? Here we go. The food's inside your 72-hour kit. All right, we got the creamy chicken. There's 4 servings of that. We got the home-style potato soup. There's 4 servings of that. Okay, black bean soup. We did not get 4 servings. Macaroni and cheese. We did not get 4 servings. Instead, they took these 2 out and gave us 8 servings of oatmeal. Well, I'm sorry. You know what? I've got a 5-gallon bucket of oatmeal. I did not need any more oatmeal. I was buying these 4 items. I should have gotten these 4 items. So it really pisses me off. Anyway, I wanted to show you this, and this is right from their website. So, I mean, you know, if they could do that, take these 2 out and just give you 8 servings of oatmeal, what keeps them from just taking all of them out and giving you 16 servings of oatmeal? I'm sorry, I call this a bait and switch. Okay, we'll meet you back over on the camera here. Okay, well, and I did shoot him an email this morning. Have not heard back from him yet, so I don't know. Yeah, what they did was they gave us 8 servings of oatmeal and took out the other 2 meals that were supposed to be in here. You're still getting the same amount of meals, but you're not getting what you paid for. Okay? I paid for 4 meals, 4 different varieties. Okay? I've gotten 3, one of which was not even on the list. Okay? I've got a 5-gallon bucket of oatmeal. I don't need any more oatmeal. You know? Sure, I wouldn't have minded if this was one of the meals. But still, there's still only 3 meals here. They duped us out of 1 meal. They duped us out of 2 varieties. Actually, I mean, you still got 3 varieties here, but not the 3 that you originally paid for. So, I don't know. I'm sorry, at this point in time, I cannot recommend this to anybody. If I get an email back from them, I'll put it down in the comments down below and let you know what the outcome was. If I don't hear back from them, there won't be any comments about it. I just think it's a bait and switch. That's all there is to it. They wanted to save money, so they gave you oatmeal instead of the other 2 varieties that you were supposed to get. You still got 16 servings here, so they did come across on the 16 servings, but the other 2 meals just, I don't know. I will not recommend this, and I don't recommend anybody to buy this unless they come up with something. If they do, like I said, I'll put it in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a good day. Stay prepared. Now on to the rest of the original video. And these are all in resealable pouches. Open pouch, remove oxygen absorber, bring 5 cups of water to a boil, whisk in entire contents. See, I wish they would give you the directions on making 1 serving. If this is supposed to last you 3 days, why are you going to cook it all up at one time? Okay? This is supposed to be 72 hours. Now, sure, you can break this down. You can figure out how much is in this by weighing it and then figuring out. But then that you have to weigh it. I mean, why can't they say mix 1 cup of this? You know, that's what I don't like about these big packages. This one here, open pouch, remove oxygen absorber, bring 4.5 cups of water to a boil, whisk entire contents into pouch. What? Oh, whisk in entire contents of pouch. If this is supposed to last you 3 days, 72 hours, why are you going to fix it all at once? That's what doesn't make sense. If you want to make this a true 72-hour package, you're going to put in 3 of each of these. Okay? Cut this in thirds. Cut this in thirds. Cut this in thirds. Sorry about that, but I look at this as a 24-hour package. If they want you to cook it all at once, sure, you can stick it back in the bag and reheat it maybe. But this isn't the only company that does it. I think they all do it. And why? To save a little bit of money on the packaging. But they're not truly giving you a 72-hour package. You know, now this would be a great, say, 24-hour package for 3 people, because then you cook it all at once and divide it up into 3. But for the price, $10, $10.70. Including shipping and taxes. Shipping was free, tax was 70 cents. I think it's a good deal, even though it's not broken down. Yes, I could probably take this, get my handy little scale here, make up 3 vacuum seal bags. But see, these are in Mylar, they're sealed. They're resealable bags. I would really like to see them actually put in single serving packages. You want to make a really good one? Put it in single serving packages. Then sell it to us as 72-hour. Okay? I don't know what else to say. I think it's a good deal. You get lots of food here for $10. So, let me see if I can set this all up here for you. There it is. Let me separate those so it's better seen on the picture there. Anyway, this is the 72-hour package by, hold on, let me see, My Patriot Supply, okay? If you've seen these, oh, hey, you know what? There's supposed to be 4 packages in here. So there was supposed to be 4 different packages. Now that pisses me off. I'm going to put the advertisement down here, you can see it, okay? So I'm going to call them out on this. Four different meals, 16 total servings. You can read it down here. I'm staring over here, I'm sorry. I just got pissed off now. 1 year shelf life after opening. Guaranteed 2 days delivery. But it definitely says 4 different meals, 16 servings. Now, I take it that if this is 72 hours, this is supposed to be one day, this one day, this one day, let's just say. Something ain't right here. There's supposed to be a mac and cheese in here. Home style potato soup. This is the oatmeal. Creamy chicken flavored rice. Yes, there's supposed to be a mac and cheese in here also. And you can see there's not. So I will be shooting them an email, and if they get back to me in time before I finish this video, we'll go from there. But yeah, this just definitely is not right, so I will be shooting them an email, letting them know they're oh gosh, sorry about that, I forgot to turn my radio off. Anyway, this video will definitely be cut and spliced and put together, but yeah, there's supposed to be 4 different meals. Yeah, that just kind of ticks me off. Anyway, I was hoping to give this a good review. And tell you to go and pick this up for 10 bucks. But let's see what happens when I get in touch with them and let them know that there's only 3 packages in here. So we'll get back to you in a few. We're gonna shoot them an email. Hopefully they'll come back before I'm done with this video and post, and I can fill you in and let you know what they said. Till next time, stay prepared.